In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on DhGate, a popular online marketplace that many people use for buying a wide variety of goods at competitive prices. If you're someone who appreciates the convenience and security that PayPal offers, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the straightforward process together, ensuring you feel confident and secure with your purchase. First things first, if you don't already have a DhGate account, you'll want to create one. Simply visit the DhGate website and sign up using your email address, creating a secure password in the process. For those who already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials so you can access the platform's range of products. Once you're logged in, take a moment to browse through the available items. You can search for specific products using the search bar at the top of the site. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion, or home goods, make sure to read through the product descriptions and reviews to ensure what you're purchasing meets your expectations. When you've found an item you'd like to buy, click on the product to view more details and options like color or size. It's crucial to check these details closely to avoid any surprises when your order arrives. After making your selections, click on the Add to Cart button. Once you're satisfied with the items in your cart, proceed to view your cart, ensuring everything is correct, then click on the Proceed to Checkout button to initiate the payment process. At the checkout page, you'll be asked to fill in your shipping details. Enter your name, address, and phone number accurately to avoid any delivery issues later on. Now, comes the part we're focusing on today, selecting PayPal as your payment method. If the item you're purchasing and the seller support it, you'll see the option to choose PayPal as your preferred method. Simply select PayPal, and you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Sign into your PayPal account with your email and password. For added security, ensure you're on PayPal's secure server by checking the URL starts with HTTPS and showing the padlock symbol. Once logged in, you'll see a summary of your purchase and be able to choose your funding source, whether it's a credit card linked to PayPal or your PayPal balance. After confirming your payment details, click Pay Now to complete the transaction. You'll be redirected back to DhGate where you should see a confirmation message indicating your purchase was successful. Lastly, you'll receive a confirmation email from both PayPal and DhGate. It's a good idea to save these emails for your records. And that's it. You've successfully completed a purchase on DhGate using PayPal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your online shopping experience smoother and more secure. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy shopping!